this video, I'm covering 5 incredibly simple online businesses that you can start today. So I personally have run 4 out of the 5 businesses on this list. 3 out of the 5 I've done over 7 figures with, and I don't have any special skills in business. The 3 businesses that I've done over 7 figures on this list with, I attribute my success to the fact that they are just such simple business models that I think if you are willing to work at them, you can become successful with them. And all of these businesses can be run from anywhere, from the comfort of your own home. They're 100% online. And the last one isn't one that I've done, but so many people are talking about how this is a huge opportunity right now that I added it onto the list. Without any further ado, let's jump into these 5 incredibly simple online businesses that you can start today. And before we jump in, please remember, I'm just analyzing these businesses. These are just my opinions. Just because you start one of these businesses doesn't mean you're going to be successful, doesn't mean you're going to make money, but I do hope that this video can spark some ideas for you. So let's jump in. So simple online business number 1 is one of the first businesses that I was successful with. So this is a home service business that you run remotely from your computer. I do this in junk removal. I run a junk removal company that operates in over 40 cities nationwide, and I run it all remotely from my computer. So let me walk you through how you set this up. So essentially you start a home service business. You run it similar to an Uber style business. Instead of going out and doing the work yourself, you hire subcontractors who are already experts in that field to go do the work. Any home service business that you can imagine, people are doing this remotely using subcontractors. Go Load Up does this with junk removal services. They do it nationwide. Poles does this with TV mounting. GreenPal does this with lawn care. ThinkMaids does this with cleaning. You can have the simplicity of a home service business, grassroots marketing, the local brand of a home service business, and run it without having to actually do the services yourself. A great way to get in without a lot of competition is to find a specific niche. I've talked about it before, but maybe it's doggy door installation, or maybe it's dog poop removal. Find something like that, a specific niche. I've got over 400 low competition ideas in a database that I built, keywords that I would target, how I would implement and start one of these. Call it my idea book. I'll link it down below in the description. Let's get back into it. Well, find something like that, a specific niche, to become a part of your community, post on your local Facebook community page, hand out flyers. Very simple, beginner-friendly marketing to get customers, and then just send it out to subcontractors who already do that work. I've been able to build this to a 7-figure-a-year business, and there's a lot of other examples of people out there who have been able to make money online with a remote home service business. Business number 2 is one that I just recently started running. It's a simple business, and there's a lot of examples of different ways that you can run this, but this is a newsletter. So essentially, you're sending out an email. It can be once a week or every day. You're sending out an email with some specific niche information that people are interested in learning about. There's a guy, Ryan Snedden. He runs the Naptown Scoop, and it's a local newsletter in Annapolis, Maryland. He's got 20,000 subscribers, so not a ton of subscribers. And since he has such a targeted audience in a specific community, businesses in the community are willing to put ads on his newsletter, and he makes $320,000 a year just from those 20,000 subscribers on his local newsletter, just charging ad spots. The Van Trump Report, it's a paid newsletter, and it's farmer and agricultural based investing information. He charges $600 a year for those people to be a part of his newsletter. He's got over 30,000 subscribers to that newsletter, and he makes over $20 million a year just sending that newsletter out by himself. He doesn't have any employees. He writes the newsletter and sends it out himself, making $20 million a year. There's also a guy who runs the Daily Stoic. He also runs the Daily Dad. He sends out daily emails, one of them about being a dad, and the other one about being more stoic and present in your daily life. It's a free newsletter, and he also doesn't have sponsors. He just sells his followers coins. A coin that reminds you to be present in your everyday life that you carry around in your pocket. He sells millions of dollars of those coins every year. So there's a lot of ways to make money from a newsletter. And to do this, start posting content, start getting attention on any of the social media channels, and funnel people to your newsletter. You can run it by yourself, just funneling people from your content to your newsletter. You know, it's kind of a fun business if you're doing a newsletter on something you're already interested in. So I would recommend you pick something that you're knowledgeable in and that you would enjoy writing about. Simple business number 3 is another one I've made over 7 figures with. There is a new opportunity, kind of a new spin on this form of business that I think has huge potential right now. So this is affiliate marketing. Now, in the past, people would do affiliate marketing with blogs. So you'd write a blog post on a low competition keyword, try to rank that, and then you can get a commission for that product. So maybe you're doing best toaster ovens. Rank for best toaster ovens. Someone reads your post, they like one of the products that you talk about, they click it, buy it, you get a commission. So that was kind of the old way of affiliate marketing. I did that with a lot of furniture products, and I've kind of since changed to a more new model of affiliate marketing. Blogs are a lot harder to rank these days, but today there are a lot of people making some great money with a new style of affiliate marketing, and this is creator affiliate marketing. You can build a following on Instagram or TikTok and go after a specific niche. So maybe it's running. You just talk all about running. You film videos of your runs every day. You talk about your nutrition before you run. There are a lot of products around running. So you can go to places like impact.com and sort through a ton of affiliate products and find some that you can promote. Every time someone buys, either with your code or through that link, you get a percentage of those sales. So you don't have to set up an entire business. You don't have to have your own product. You can just simply create content and push people to other products, and you get commissions for those sales. And if you're promoting things like larger ticket items, I used to do some furniture products that sold for thousands of dollars, and many times I would get commissions of 25 to 30% of that sale. Sometimes I would make multiple thousands of dollars from a single referral to someone clicking my link and purchasing that product. So there's a lot of opportunity in affiliate marketing, and if you can just pick a specific niche and make content on that, build a following around that, you can push people to those products and just make a commission without having to actually build the product yourself and build a whole e-commerce store yourself. And the cool thing about this strategy is that a lot of social media channels today, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, are really beginner friendly. So they're actually just prioritizing quality content that people want to watch. So you don't have to have a huge following to get views and start actually being able to make some money. Some people, their first post on TikTok can get multiple millions of views. So you don't have to have a following to get views. And that's why there's a huge opportunity with this new affiliate marketing strategy right now. Business number 4 is another one that I'm doing. I'm doing it right now. And this is YouTube. I heard a quote that I really like. You don't want a lot of people to know you a little. You want a few people to know you a lot. And so what YouTube lets you do is the long form content on YouTube lets people get to know you really well. You can teach really niche topics really in depth. You can build a following on YouTube teaching something that you're knowledgeable in, then funnel those people into a lot of different businesses. You can sell things like courses. You can bring people to a community like school and charge them monthly to be a part of your community. You can do a newsletter, affiliate marketing, you can sell products. The world of business opens up a lot if you can get an engaged following, and YouTube is great for an engaged following. The crazy thing about YouTube is it actually pays you to build your following, to teach people stuff. So, you know, the ads on these videos, I think my YouTube videos last year did about $50,000 over the whole year. And then this year, last month, I actually hit $10,000 a month for the first time in just ad revenue from the videos. So I get to teach people stuff, do something I enjoy, and YouTube is actually paying me to do that. There's a whole bunch of different paths or avenues that you can go down to be able to make money from just teaching your passion. And so I really like YouTube for that. It's my favorite business that I've ever run. I still just do it on the side for fun, but someday, you know, I would love to do YouTube full time. I enjoy just, you know, getting all this stuff that I research anyways out and sharing it with people. So if you have something like that, I think YouTube is a great place for you to just share your knowledge, share your passion with people, and then the world of being able to make money from that just comes naturally. Now, simple online business number 5 is one that I have heard a ton about recently. A lot of people are saying this is the new, you know, Amazon FBA, this is the new Google SEO, Facebook ad, this is the new opportunity. And what it is TikTok Shop.
TikTok Shop is all the rage right now.
$3 million in the last 30 days with TikTok Shop.
TikTok Shop is one of the biggest opportunities in e-commerce that I've seen in the last 6 years.
I currently sell my products on TikTok Shop.
TikTok Shop Gold Rush. I got a 15-year-old Logan who's making $20,000 a month.
I haven't seen anything this revolutionary since Facebook ads in like 2017.
So TikTok Shop is basically TikTok's e-commerce platform. Anyone can sell products on there, and people can buy directly through TikTok videos. So you don't have to have your own, you know, e-commerce store. You don't have to go try to work on SEO to get traffic there. TikTok has it all built into the platform. And you can either go on and just start making videos promoting your products, and when people see them, they can purchase directly on the app. They have a creator affiliate or promotion program where you can put a product on there and then offer commissions to creators for them to promote your products. And there are creators out there making hundreds of thousands of dollars promoting products for brands. So you can put your brand on there, offer a commission to creators, and they can promote your brand for you. These creators already know how to make viral videos, how to get views on videos. And if you have an intriguing product with a good commission, you can reach out to a lot of these creators, have them drive the sales for you, and it's a win-win. You're getting sales and they're getting a portion of the sale, getting a commission for driving that sale. So TikTok Shop is a big opportunity right now. It's still very untapped, still very new. It's like the Wild West. There's people making a lot of money out there doing TikTok Shop. So I think it's a great opportunity right now for people to get into. If you think you can get views on TikTok, if you want to go understand how the algorithm works and how to make a viral video, you could go drive traffic and sales to your products yourself. You want to find products anywhere from $15 to $50-ish is a great price point in there, where it's not a huge purchase that people have to think a lot about, but it's a high enough ticket item where you're going to make some profit on those products and be able to give out some commission. Again, if you're interested in stuff like this, I've got over 400 low competition business ideas, opportunities, side hustles in a database that I built. I call it my idea book. I break down the different opportunities that I see and the keyword research there, the keywords that I would target, how I would implement and start one of these businesses. It's all in there. I'll link it down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 incredibly simple online businesses that you can start today. Again, this isn't a guarantee. These are my opinions. Just because you start one of these doesn't mean it's going to be successful. Obviously, businesses take a lot of effort, a lot of money, a lot of time. Some of them fail, but I think these are great opportunities. Otherwise, I really appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.